Hi, welcome to Mariel Beads and Beyond. For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this beaded cap. As you can see, I attach it to this beaded vessel that I had for a long time. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. Once again, this video is only to show how to make the beaded cap for the tassel. The list of materials are going to be two sizes and two different colors of 11 O's and the thread that you want to use for your tassel. You are going to thread your needle with a comfortable length of thread. You are going to pick up 4 11 O's of the main color. You are going to bring them down and you want to leave 1 or 2 inches tail. That's up to you. You are going to sew through the 4 beads. And you are going to sew through 2 more. Working on a right angle weave, we're gonna create 11 boxes. So we have 1, we are going to pick up 3, we are going to sew through the same 11 that are thread exiting from, and we want to reinforce So we are going to continue adding beads until we get 11 boxes. I have my 11 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. My thread is exiting from this 11. I'm gonna sew through 1. And through 1 more. Make sure your beading work is not twisted. We are going to pick up 1 11 O and we are going to sew down through the 11 on the other side. Pick up 1 11 and sew back through the 11 that we started on the other side, and we are going to reinforce this. Right here, if the thread tail bothers you, you can go ahead and make a knot and cut it. If not, you can do that once you're done with your work. You can go ahead and trim the tail. To continue, we are going to sew through 1 more. Pick up 1 11 O. Your thread is exiting from this side. We are going to sew back through the same 11. Pick up 1 11 and the accent color you choose. And we are going to sew through the next 11. And we are going to continue this step. Pick up 1 11. So through the same 11, pick up one 11, so through the next 11, and continue all the way around. I am done with my row. My thread is exiting from one of the silver beads. We are going to sew in a reverse direction. We are going to pick up 3 11s on our second color. You are skipping one and sew through the next 11 and back through the one our thread is exiting from. So in a reverse direction through one silver, the second color bead and one silver, and sew through one accent bead and through one silver. You want to be coming out of the silver bead. You are going to reverse direction, pick up 3 of the accent color. Your thread is exiting from this silver. We are going to skip one of the accent color and we are going to sew through the next silver and back through the one where our thread is exiting from. Reverse direction, sew through the accent color and through the silver bead, and sew through one accent bead and through one silver. Reverse direction, and you are going to continue this step throughout the row. I added my last 3 seed beads. I'm going to reverse direction. I'm going to sew up through one of the silvers. And I'm going to sew through one more silver. Pick up one 11, sew through the same bead, reverse direction through the bead that you just add, and right here if you have issues you can maybe use a pencil or something to hold your work. Pick up 3 11s, sew back through the bead we just add, sew up through one, pick up 3 11s, sew back through the bead that your thread is exiting from, you want to be coming out from the bottom. This is our first set of 4. You're going to connect them to the next set of 4. So you're going to sew through this bead. You're going to sew back through the bead. And you are going to come up And we are going to repeat this step throughout the row. Continue throughout the row and I'll be right back to show you the next step. I am about to close my row, so I'm going to pick up 111. I'm going to sew through the 11 across, pick up 111 and sew up through the bead our thread was exiting from. Sew through the bead we just add, come down through one bead, down through one of the beads we just add, and down through the bottom seed bead. Sew back through the previous bead and down one more time. Pick up one accent bead. We have two seed beads on top of each other. So our thread is exiting from the one in the bottom. We are going to sew through the next one, but from the one on the top. Pick up one. Sew this time through the one on the bottom. And continue throughout the row. I am about to add the last accent bead. My thread is coming out from the top bead. I'm going to sew through the one, through the bottom. I'm going to sew through the accent bead, the first one we added. And before I connect it to the top bead, now I'm going to sew through the one on the bottom, through the accent bead, through the one on top this time, continue throughout the row, and I'll be right back to show you the next step. I have completed my row. My thread is exiting from one of the silver beads. I want to sew up through one seed bead, sew through one more, pick up one silver bead, sew through the same bead you exiting is from, pick up one accent bead, sew through the next bead, pick up 111, sew through the same 11 you thread is exiting from, pick up one accent bead, sew through the next, continue throughout the row, and I'll be right back to show you the next step. My thread is exiting from the silver bead. I'm going to sew up through the seed bead on top. I'm going to pick up one silver seed bead and I'm going to sew through 2 silvers. And I'm going to continue this step throughout the row. Pick up 1, sew through 2, pick up 1, sew through 2, sew through 2 and up through the one in the center that we add. The first one. Tie your work, pick up 1 accent bead, and you are going to skip 1, 2, and we are going to sew through the one that we add previously. Pick up 1, skip 2. We are sewing through the beads that we add previously. All we have to do is reinforce through these 6 beads we just add, and we have completed our beaded cap for our tassel. Right here, you have to make the decision on how you want to finish it. You can pick up 5 beads and connect them through the one seed bead on the front to make a loop, or you can use wire guardian. So how you're gonna finish it is going to be your decision. For this video, I just wanted to show how to make the beaded cap, and the tassel I made it with ribbon, but you can make with beads. I'm going to leave in the link 2 videos on how to make the tassels, one with thread and one with beads. All you have to do right here is stick it in the beaded bead, and then you had to sew through the beads and through the tassel to keep it safe. I hope this video was useful. I hope it was easy to follow along. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Share them with your friends. Until next time, bye bye.